name is Audrey. I'm training manager at Campus Antogia. In this short video, I am going to show you how to place an Axiom BL implant, PX profile, diameter 3.4, length 12 mm, in a D1 bone. You will use the Axiom Dense Bone Kit in addition to the Axiom Surgery Kit, and follow the color code. Ready? Let's go! To sum up, if you need to place an Axiom PX implant in a D1 bone, you follow the PX protocol using one more drill, and to complete the sequence, you use the Axiom PX tab from the Dense Bone Kit dedicated to the D1 bone indication. I hope you liked this video, and I wish to see you soon for another campus video tutorial.